Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we have an exciting time right here in the studio. We'll be working on two of the most anticipated bikes in recent history, the BMW R1300 GS and the R1300 GS Adventure. Great looking bikes, great ride. We're going to release a new set of windshields that will fit on both these models. Installations will be exactly the same, but we're going to be showing you how to do it on this 1300 GS. So let's get started. Included with your kit, with your new windshield, the windshield will actually come with these 4 rubber inserts already in the shield, ready to go for you. Inside the hardware kit, you'll have 4 rubber washers and 4 top hats. Start the installation process. Take one of the top hats and one of the rubber washers. And the rubber washer is going to slide right on top of the little post here. Make sure it sits nice and flat against the very bottom of the top hat. Just like that. And repeat with the other 3. Once you have the rubber washer on here, you want to slide these into the back side of the windshield. Sit nice and flush against the rubber washer. Okay. Now you're all ready to set it on a bike. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the original shield. So remove the 4 mounting bolts. You just need a T25 Torx. You want to hold on to these bolts because you will reuse them. And like always, when you get down to the last couple bolts and you start loosening them up, you want to make sure you hold on to the shield so you don't scratch up your bike. As you see on our GS here, we do have the optional side deflectors on there. Now, if you want to use them, you can. If you want to leave them off, just use your stock setup. The VStream will fit the same way. Also, you notice there are 2 mounting positions, the lower and there's an upper mounting position. The VStream will also fit in both those positions as well. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to install a new VStream. We're going to go with the short dark tint sports screen. Looks great on the bike, dark tint, great looking for it. So we're actually going to go ahead and we're actually put this one in the upper position this time. So slant the bolts. Again, this will work in both upper or lower positions, so whichever you feel is more appropriate for you as a rider. And tighten it back up, your T25. Don't need to over tighten it, tighten them down until it stops spinning, it's nice and firm. You'll be good to go. All right, there you have it. Simple installation, straightforward. Couldn't be any easier, but it's going to give you great protection going on the road from wind, weather, debris, anything the world throws at you. 3 shields will be available. We got a sport and dark tint, and we have a light tint version as well. And we're going to have a taller version that's going to be available in clear. All go on the same way. All will accept the accessories, and all of them will still be able to be fully adjusted by your electric adjuster. For more information on this shield and all windshields and products by National Cycle, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. Also check us out on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your ride.